RBI for Ian. He took the walk, the female was behind, the base was just one open, and you got 2 runners granted for bases. So that's an RBI. Tubi lets it go for strike numero 1. 1 ball, 2 strikes. He swings, finds a hole. That ball is rolling. 1 score gets on the way. Another one's there. And to third goes Praise with his lightning speed. Way to go, guys. 3 runs across the plate. 5-11. 11 to 5.
1 out, let's go!
Just 1 out. And that out wasn't meant to be, but it happened. We got runners on at the corners, first and third. Mike, oh wow, laces it through third. There you go. That's the RBI. 11 to 6. We're cutting down the 3. 11 to 3.
Watch the bat.
Watch the bat.
I got it. One day.
Yo, we got 1 down, let's go!
Way to go, guys. Way to go, Ali. Let's go. Let's do this. 11-6. Just 1 out. Runners on. Foul ball. First and second, just 1 out. Ali's batting. She can do it. She got all the talent that is needed to get this. Wow, there you go. I told you she got it.
See what I mean? Look, you lose the fourth.
Out of third.
Holy shit!
Yeah, he was in front of the cone. He was in front of the cone. He was in front of the cone, Blue. He was in front of the cone. Huh? I'm gonna stop it right here, so you know. Yeah. Yeah, he was like way in front.